Good evening, students. Welcome back to our channel, Excel City. So, I think from my sound itself, you can understand why I was not making any videos last weeks. I was not feeling well and severe fever, cough, and all. I know that it's little late. Anyway, you are asking for the 16th December, and I only suggested this particular test date to you. So, I hope this video will really help you how to prepare for your sections. So, don't bother about my sound and all. So we will see about the 16th December in detail. Okay, so we will start from the listening module for both academic and general. So in listening section, first part you can expect fill up type of question, that will be a form completion, and they will give the instruction like one word and or a number. You can use a number or word or both in together. So try to take care about the instructions whenever you get fill up type of question. And don't repeat whatever things they are giving the symbols like the dollar, pound and all means don't repeat that. Okay, now about the second part. This time you can expect the audio from a guide or it's like a monologue, and there is a chance to get map completion type of question either in morning or in the evening section. Other than that, you can expect MCQ, that will be short MCQ along with match the information type of question. They will give a set of information and also the set of question you need to cross it. And now coming towards part 3, the question category will be long MCQs along with selection of letters. For one particular question, they will give 5 options and you need to select any 2 from that. So like that, you can expect 2 set like 27, 28, 29 and 30, like that 2 set you can expect in part 3. And the audio will be a conversation between 3 students. That's regarding part 3. Now coming towards part 4, the audio will be a monologue and we can call it as academic lecture. Any academic relevant topics only they will always offer part 4, and the question category will be fill up based question, that will be one word only, but take care about the synonyms. Always we will take the word before or after the blank as the keyword, so for that they can use synonyms too, so try to take care about that. Overall the listening section will be easy, so you can expect a normal pace and it will be easy to understand. You can expect the British and American accent more. So try to practice with the updated material, and when if you are getting 30 above in your home center means try to increase the speed. Then try to hear it again, whether you can able to catch it. So if you are practicing like that means definitely it will be easy when you are appearing the real exam. So now coming towards the reading module, first we will check out with the academic reading. In passage 1, you can expect 2 set of question, true, false, not given, and also fill up type of question. That will be one word only fill ups, like short, not completion. Moving towards passage 2, you can expect MCQs, fill up type of question, and also one match the information type of question, like which paragraph contain this information. And the last part, the categories will be yes, no, not given, you can expect this time, fill up type of question, and also match the information again along with the options. So that's regarding the question type, and overall the reading will be easy. 2 of the passages you can expect the repeated passage too. Now coming towards the general module reading. In general module, you can expect more fill-up type of question this time. In section 1, they can ask for true, false, not given and fill-up type of question like a not completion. And section 2, again 2 set of fill-up type of question you can expect this time. One will be like a table in the sense, another will be like a sentence completion like a short note. Okay, anyway 2 set of fill up type of question. And coming towards the last section, that long passage, you can expect the categories like fill up type of question, 1 set of match the information, and 3 to 4 MCQs. So that will be the question category. Overall, it will be in easy to moderate level. And you need to concentrate on the last passage, that lengthy passage. So now coming towards the writing module. First, we will check out with the academic writing. In task 1, you can expect bar chart, table chart or pie charts. The combination of pie charts. So these 3 category you want to take care about or want to look after. Now coming towards the task 2, opinion type essay. or else they can ask for two-part type of question like the direct question or discuss both views and state your opinion. Again, these are the three categories. Now we will check out with the general module writing. In task 1, you need to concentrate on formal letter, and in task 2, opinion type essay, 60% above they will ask for opinion type essay only. Anyway, you need to have a look at discussion with opinion too. So these are the two different category you need to concentrate towards. And about the essay questions, we already released one video for your preparation purpose. You will get the question from that particular video only. Anyway, give attention towards all the topics which mentioned in that video. For your preparation purpose only, I released that first. Okay, so try to do that. All the very best for your test date and try to convey your feedback after your test. So take care and God bless you all.